friends. I hope you are having a fun day at the retreat, and maybe I'm there and maybe I'm not. I hope to be seeing you. I'm so glad to be talking to you today about success through business etiquette. Gosh, it's amazing to think about how many years we've been teaching success through business etiquette and the genesis of it. I can remember when Rita called me, or maybe sent me an email in 2012, and she said, "Hey, I want to take you to lunch." And I thought maybe she wanted to take me to lunch and have me come work for Champion School of Real Estate and Sales and Marketing, because that was my background. And she said, "No, I want to talk to you about our professional development division." And when we sat down to lunch, she said, "I would like you to teach." And I said, "Me? Oh my gosh, I can't even believe that." And wow, this is such an opportunity. And then with Kim and the other instructors, we came together and we launched Success Through Business Etiquette. And, I think it might have been to just a couple of people. And as time went on, the opportunity came about to where I could be the statewide instructor and spend the time with our champions and with you, creating the class as it is today. And, it's been such a wonderful journey, and you all are involved in it too, with your feedback that you've given me, the support that you've shown for the class, offering it to the students. And, friends, students say all the time it's changed their lives. So together we're changing people's lives. And I just have to tell you, I'm so grateful. I look forward to many more years of teaching success through business etiquette. So I mentioned success through business etiquette, and you might hear me say that often versus just business etiquette, because business etiquette, that at least I believe, many people, when I say those words to people, I kind of see like a little bit of a wall go up. And we talk about a wall in the class, that wall that disconnects us, that fear that comes into play when you hear something you may not understand. And I think a lot of people may think the words business etiquette means I have to be perfect. And I don't know about you, I'm not perfect. And a lot of people are afraid of not being perfect. And so that holds them back. And so I speak about success through business etiquette when we know the so-called rules of engagement of how to connect with people. And we understand how it can really, those walls that protect us, bring those walls down. We can find great success through that. And so I really spend a lot of time talking about the success that comes through business etiquette. And what's at the root of business etiquette? It's respect. People do business with whom they like and trust. Dale Carnegie said that better than anyone. And so that's what we're trying to help them understand. When we show that respect to people, then that success is going to come. But so many people don't understand these nuances of it's not just to show up. And in fact, 50% of your success is going to be showing up. It's how you show up. And I help them understand that it's not about me. It's about creating an environment. It's about getting right within yourself, understanding, again, these rules of engagement, but how I'm going to show up for the other person. And that's kind and that's caring. And as the first part of the book says, is this class is where chivalry meets the golden rule. And the underpinning of that is respect. So I think the best way to tell you, or share with you rather, how to sell business etiquette is to read in part a testimonial that I received. And in fact, this particular person sent the email, went online on the website, and I believe found Kim's email address or Rita's email address, I can't remember exactly, and copied me. I'm glad it was good. And so I thought in sharing this with you, it was very eye-opening I noticed the 2-day business etiquette course only listed under the most expensive program. I honestly debated whether I needed business etiquette teaching, not because I thought I knew it all, but maybe I thought I knew enough, believing most of this was common sense. I decided to pay the extra and take the course. I am so happy I made the choice I did. The business etiquette course was awesome. Not only did I learn things I did not know, but it made me realize why I am where I am at this stage of my life. Although my inspirations and desires have always been way above standard, I see now I have not accomplished more because I neglected to put the basic skills you teach in this course into practice. I believe implementing the skills you have given, which are not new to me, parentheses, are keys to success and, more importantly, my success. Those who chose to forego this course are doing themselves a great disservice. I loved every minute, and paying extra and dedicating a Saturday and Sunday to learning this information was more than worth it. And I think that may be the best way to hear what someone else has said. So I hope that helps you. You know, I don't teach this class because I just want to show up. I teach it because I want to make a difference, and I want to make a difference in our students' lives. And so I have to say thank you again to Rita and Kim for even thinking of this class and being so supportive of it for all these years, going into our, 2022 will be our 10th year. Can you believe it? And I also want to say thank you to you. It would not be what it is today without you sharing it. And so I thank you very much. And if you have any questions at any time, if I can support you in knowing more about the class, feel free to text, call, email, whatever might work best for you. And hopefully I'll see you in person soon if I'm not here today.